take off.
Hey guys, this is Premstar14 and today with us we have a Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG Coupe with a full carbon fiber spec, and this is in a shade called Magno Grey, and this one happens to be the only one in India. So let's go have a closer look at this car now. So guys, this is the only facelifted S63 Coupe in the country. So what you're seeing here is a one of one in India. The main way to differentiate between the facelift and the old one is that the facelift gets this Panamericana grille up ahead. This car is in a shade called Magno Grey, where it is a satin finish grey paint. Up ahead, it is powered by a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 engine producing around 600 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. Guys, 900 Nm of torque. Honestly, this car gets you the best of both worlds. Immense amount of luxury and a lot of power. So guys, we are done with some nice cinematic shots over here with the background as the garden and the pool. Now we need to get some interior shots, and for that we need to park it in the sun so there is good lighting. And yeah, let's go then. One of the best things of this S63 AMG Coupe, yeah, is the exhaust, of course. Listen to that. The pop and bangs is insane. Let's go in the interiors because, well, it's an S-Class at the end of the day. Over here you can see, oh wow, you can also see carbon fiber in the interiors as well. On the dashboard, even at the back. And you can see the beautiful red leather interiors. One of the best things about this AMG is the electrochromatic sunroof, where at a touch of a button you can do that. Yeah. So you can enjoy the beautiful sky even when there is a lot of sun. There you go. These are your functions for your seat adjustment, and you of course get cooled and heated seats. And guys, the music system, it gets a 13 speaker high-end Burmester sound system which sound amazing. And guys, though it is a two-door coupe, even the rear seats are very comfortable and spacious because, well, just look at the wheelbase of the car. And yeah, by the way, oh yeah guys, did you just see that seat belt? Wow. So because this car technically doesn't have a B pillar, it will be quite difficult to reach out to your seat belt. So the seat belt is delivered to you. Let's have a look how. Oh wow, that's sick. And guys, also of course there is a soft close function. Yeah. So now, because it's a S-Class at the end of the day, the rear seat is surprisingly very comfortable and spacious. So how do you get back? Well, you just pull this lever and the seats automatically go in the front, and now you just have to get in. Wow, it's very comfortable. And you also get this armrest right here. So guys, now we have the Mustang which has joined us. And now we're gonna get some now we're gonna get some nice shots with the two beasts parked beside each other. Right now we took some still shots. Now in the evening, like late night around 1-2 a.m, we're going to get some nice rolling shots because all the roads are going to be clear and empty. So in the evening we are going to unleash the 600 horsepower, 900 Nm of torque, and hopefully we also get some nice burnout and drifting shots.
12 o'clock midnight.
It's 1:30 a.m. and we are in Kharadi because the roads over here are too good for some nice rolling shots, and we have the Mercedes S63 AMG. That's Aryan and Anshul in the Innova.
Shit, speed breaker. Ow.
I can do this!
And I can do this. And I can do this! Oh shit, speed breaker again. And there he goes. Oh yeah. And I can do this.
This is 900 Nm torque, right?
This is 900 Newton meters of torque and 603 bhp if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
And this is what it feels like. Whoa, a lot of tailspin right there.
Yeah. The tires are completely gone.
As you can hear it.
Yeah. So yeah, we have come to Kharadi because I think that's the only good roads in Pune to take some nice rolling shots.
You've got some really nice street lights, you've got some really nice smooth roads, not those many speed humps, and there's Aryan overtaking us, which he actually thinks he can, but he doesn't know what we're driving right now, so there we go. And speed breakers, but minor ones, and that's okay. And lift off once again. And just look at the cornering of this thing.
It's crazy.
Yeah, there you go.
There's no one on the road. Let's take some nice shots.